Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this sweet little birthday card using Picture Perfect Birthday. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a piece of Real Red, Emerald Envy, and Dapper Denim, and I am just going to punch some circles, and I have the 1/2-inch circle punch, and I need 4 from each of them. My nephew's having a Lego birthday party, so I decided to make him a Lego card to give him with his gift. So these are kind of flying everywhere, but that's okay. Alright, so we'll bring in our little circles. And then we are going to put dimensionals on the back of all of them. And they fit pretty perfectly, so make sure you got it all around and it's not showing any on the back. I think I'm just going to bring in my tweezers so I can make that go a little bit faster. Alright, so I have the Emerald Envy, the Real Red, and the Dapper Denim, and these squares are cut 1.5 by 1.5. And then I have Daffodil Delight, and that is cut at 3 3/4 by 1.5. And I just wanted to bring that in so I can line up these circles. And I just did that one ahead of time just so that there wouldn't be so many that I had to do on film. So I will take this time to tell y'all to subscribe to my newsletter. If you go to SheilaStamps.net and click on the Sign Up Now button in the top right hand corner, you will be entered to win the Beautiful Day stamp set that I am giving away on my birthday, which is February the 22nd. And then you're automatically entered into all of my drawings when you are a newsletter subscriber. So it does have its benefits, and that's where I post all my specials and deals that are going on during the month of February. I am giving away something each week for my birthday with every $50 order. So it does have its perks. And it is also celebration time, so with every $50 you spend, you get to pick a item from celebration, or if you spend $100, you can pick the $100 items that we have. Alright, so we are finished with our Legos, and I'm just going to put those aside real quick. I have a mat that is 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to get my snail adhesive, and I'm just going to put that down with some snail. And I know you're probably thinking that I shouldn't have put the dots down yet, but it's really not that big of a deal. It still rolls over pretty good. So and I think I'm going to make a border. Yeah, just like that. And then the stamp set that we are using is Picture Perfect Birthday, and we're going to put Celebrate the Good Stuff. And I have that mounted on block D, and I'm going to use the Emerald Envy ink pad. And I'm just going to put it down right here in this top right hand corner, just like that. Now my card base is Daffodil Delight, and I'm just going to put some adhesive on the inside of the card, because I know more or less where the mat is going to go. So, just like that, there is a quick and simple Lego card for any child in your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!